In this series of Let's Improve Our English. In this video, we'll be looking on 16 boring adjectives and what to use instead. Basically, this is an exercise to improve your vocabulary. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, there are more attractive words that you can use instead of these boring adjectives. We often use this overuse these boring words again and again, and instead we have some more attractive words that we can use. So instead of ugly, use hideous, grotesque, unsightly, monstrous, frightful, beastly, homely, repulsive, revolting, loathsome, uncomely, foul. Instead of great, use these words: astonishing, breathtaking, brilliant, cracking, extraordinary, fabulous, glorious, smashing, stupendous, terrific, thrilling, unparalleled. Alright, instead of tired, you can use more words like fatigue, overwork, exhausted, worn out, overtaxed, wasted, beat, drain, spent, drowsy, sleepy. And instead of old, use this word: ancient, antique, decrepit, elderly, mature, senior, vulnerable, and geriatric, gray, veteran, and seasoned. And instead of soft, use this word: mushy, comfy, and plush, supple, smooth, spongy, flexible, and cushy, and doughy. Okay, sorry about that. Feathery, fleecy, fury. And instead of hard, use this word: dense, solid, firm, tough, strong, inflexible, rigid, unyielding, indurate, and impenetrable, stony, adamantine. And instead of sweet, use this word: gentle, lovable, affectionate, tender, delightful, precious, charming, loving, dear, darling, beloved, amiable. And instead of clean, use this word: fresh, hygienic, immaculate, pure, neat, tidy, orderly, simple, washed, sparkling, spotless, sanitary. And instead of dirty, use these words: filthy, greasy, polluted, grimy, muddy, stained, solid, fouled, messy, dusty, contaminated, sooty. And instead of easy, use this word: simple, effortless, painless, facile, elementary, basic, manageable, straightforward, uncomplicated, clear, obvious, smooth. And instead of hard, use this word: difficult, complex, demanding, arduous, complicated, troublesome, bothersome, and backbreaking, intricate, formidable, and exacting, hairy. And instead of mean, use this word: hostile, rude, nasty, vicious, evil, malicious, callous, hard, churlish, and cantankerous, ill-temper, sour. And instead of sick, use this word: ill, frail, weak, impaired, indisposed, bedridden, disease, feeble, feverish, ailing, and debilitated, infirm. And instead of healthy, use this word: hearty, robust, strong, hale, fit, firm, sturdy, well, vigorous, hardly, lively, flourishing. And instead of tall, use this word: lanky, rangy, soaring, towering, elevated, giant, altitudinous, alpine, lofty, sky high, statuesque, and skyscraping. and instead of short use this word: petite, miniature, little, diminutive, slight, wee, and stunted, compact, tiny, runty, squatty, and undersized. So these are all for today. Hope you will gonna benefit from this video. Thank you for watching.